In Texas, if you're pulled over for a DWI and the officer requests that you take a breath or blood test, you can refuse. Now, if you refuse, some things are going to happen. If you are in a larger county or larger city, they will go to a magistrate and they'll get a warrant and they'll draw your blood. In a smaller county or a smaller city, very, very often they don't have that available and they'll just accept your refusal. Now, there's a few things that happen when you refuse. One is that at the DPS hearing where DPS is trying to take away your driver's license, the driver's license suspension is longer if you refuse to take the breath or blood test. Now, the old way of looking at it was that you always refused, and that still may be good advice in a lot of circumstances. However, if your blood test or breath test is barely over the legal limit, I find it very often easier to defend a breath test than a blood test. And so very often the advice is, you know what, if I think I'm just barely over the legal limit or I'm close to it, then sometimes you might be better off taking a breath test. One, you have a lower suspension period, and two, you'll end up with a case that's more defendable.